Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Muhammad Admi Fauzan. I'm here to present about taxonomy flying. So let's go straight to the material. Taxonomy flying computer architecture is a classification created by Michael G. Flynn in 1966. This classification is made based on the number of instructions that run simultaneously and concurrently, as well as the flow of data it processes. In Flynn taxonomy, computers are divided into four classes, and then single instruction, single data stream. A computer that does not have a way to parallelize instruction or data. An example of a SICD machine is an old PC traditional or mainframe. And then multiple instruction single data stream is a computer that can perform many instructions on a single data stream. This computer however has no example because even though it was made as a prototype and was never mass recorded. And then single instruction multiple data stream. A computer capable of processing multiple streams of data with only one instruction, so that the operation performed is a parallel operation. An example of a SIMD is an array processor or GPU. And then multiple instruction multiple data stream, MIMD. A computer that has several autonomous processors capable of performing different instructions on different data. Distributed systems are commonly known as MIMDs, whether it's using one memory room together or a distributed memory room. MIMD divided into two, namely multiprocess and multicomputing. Multiprocessing is an information technology term that refers to the ability to process computer carried out simultaneously. This is possible by using two more CPU and in a computer system. That then can also refer to the support of a system to support more than one processor and allocate tasks to this processor. Multi-deployment also sometimes refer to the ability to execute multiple software processes in a system simultaneously. When compared to a process at one time, although the term multiprogramming is more appropriate for this concept, multiprocessing is often implemented in hardware using multiple CPUs at once, while multiprogramming is often used in software. A system might be able to have two such capabilities and often or not at all. Multi-government is divided into several classes, namely, uh, this is um, three three classes. Number one, Uniform Memory Access (UMA), and then number two, Non-Uniform Memory Access (UMA), and then number three, Cache Only Memory Access. And then what distinguishes from the DIR models above is how memory and peripheral devices are shared or distributed. The different are: number one, uniform memory access UMA. All processes have the same access time to all word memory. As processor use a private cache. Peripheral are also shared in the same way. UMA is suitable for general purpose and time sharing application by multiple users. UMA can be used to improve the execution of a single large program on time critical application. And then number two, non-uniform memory access. Remember, multiprocessor is a shared memory system where access time varies to, to the word location. Shared memory that is physically distributed to all processors is called local memory, and the collection of local memory from a global address space that can be accessed by all processors. UMA can access local memory faster with a local processor, while remote memory access is granted to the all pros. Otherwise, a capacity is gathered to be added to the network internet connection. In addition to memory distribution in general shared, memory can be added to the sister processor. In this case, there are three memory access patterns where the integrated access to local memory, access to global memory, and the slowest is access from distant memory. And then number three, cache only memory access. Comma is a multiprocessor that user only memory cache. Comma can be found in NUMA machines, where the distribution of main memory is changed to the cache. There is no memory hierarchy on every computer node. Caches come from the global address space. Access to the remote cache is aided by a distributed directory cache. Depending on the network internet connection used, sometimes directories are used to help with copy and placement of cache block. The placement of the data queue is not important because the data will occupy the place where the data will be used. Multi-computer. Multi-computer multi-computer system. Multi-computer can be considered a loosely coupled NUMA computer or cluster. Multi-computer are commonly used when high computing power is needed but the environment has limited physical space of electrical power. PM processor have private address space. Inter-process PP communication via internet connection, network message fetching only MM in cluster. Computers are connected via LAN multi-computer, which is a system that has two or more processors, each of which has its own memory. In multi-computer, each processor has a memory module for storing and retrieving data during processing. Each processor has one or more direct connection to other processor for data transmission. Each processor has one or more direct connection to other processor for data transmission. If the processor does is not have direct connection to another processor, communication can be carried out through the intermediate processor to send data. And then